Are we live, Filippo?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Executive Chef Filippo Piccini holding the camera for me. It's him and I in the kitchen here on a gorgeous Saturday morning in Liberty Station. We've been having a wonderful weekend so far, and it's only 11 o'clock on Saturday. So just so you know, all of you who are, is there an issue?
What?
Oh, it's good, okay. Sometimes we have connection issues. Anyways, for those of you that tune in to our Solare Live cooking classes, we want to let you know that we're absolutely doing it again this Saturday coming up. Today's the 11th, so on Saturday the 18th, we are absolutely going to be doing a Solare Live cooking class. Stay tuned on Instagram and Facebook. You'll get the full announcement of everything that's happening. We have a great class that we're planning right now. And as you know, for our classes, you can get a kit. So the kit you can take home, you can follow along with Chef Filippo, and it's really a lot of fun to do. Filippo and I will be announcing that on Tuesday to give you plenty of time to make plans if you want to join us. Another quick announcement I want to do before we tell you about our special thing right now is that we will be announcing very soon, I'm confirming it with the winemaker, but we're going to be doing another one of those Zoom wine dinners. It may be a US-based winemaker, which means we can do it in the evening. If it is not, I believe I have a great winemaker in Italy lined up, which means we'll do it again on a Saturday. So stay tuned for the Zoom wine class. We've done several of them. They're a lot of fun. For those of you that have done Zoom meetings, you have your square, you have different individual people on there. We limit it to no more than 15 of those squares, so 5 by 3. One of those squares is the winemaker. So she tells you all about how she does her wine, how the wine growing process is happening right now at the beginning of July. It's a lot of fun. Chef Filippo, the rock star, makes a great 4-course meal. You bring home some bottles of wine that she's made. It's a fabulous, fabulous time. So anyway, so stay tuned for those 2 announcements that are coming up. But the reason we're here on Solare Live right now is to let you know that this weekend, we've decided to keep the dream alive with the freshly foraged Italian truffles. The short story is that Chef Filippo has been working for about 1.5 years now with a great truffle hunter based in Italy, whose brother is based in Los Angeles, and they work together to fly in the truffles. Right now they're having a really, really good source of truffles. For those of you that have been in, you've seen that. We did a great truffle pasta, the tagliolini pasta, about 2 weeks ago. We've been doing some truffles kind of on the side since then. And what Chef Filippo grabbed me on yesterday, he said, hey, I just got some truffles this morning. That was yesterday. Why don't I make a ravioli that's filled with these fresh Italian truffles? So that's what we're doing today. Filippo got in early this morning. He's been making them with Chef Denise. They're going to be available starting around noon today, and we'll have them today and tomorrow until supplies run out. What I'm going to do now is going to be a little bumpy. I'm going to take the camera from Filippo, and he's just going to show you some of the things he's working on now. So stay tuned with us, and I'm going to switch it around right now. Chef Filippo, through the magic of filming, you're now here. When it talks a little bit about the inspiration, maybe show everybody what these truffles actually look like in the wild and what you're doing with them.
What we received from our truffle hunter.
Yep, hold it steady for 1 second. Don't move it at all. I'm zooming in. I love all the bumpies on it for sure.
Yeah, that's called scorza.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Yes.
That gives the name to the truffle, which is called scorzone. You can see as a kind of thick crust. That's what is the meaning of scorza. So scorzone causes a lot of crust. We used to peel it, and this peeling is actually good, and we use it to aromatize our truffle with butter.
So let's pause for a minute. Filippo assumes everybody knows this. What he's doing right now is he's doing a homemade butter here that's been infused with real Italian black truffles. So it isn't like he got a jar of truffle oil or anything like that. You'll see the little black specks all in there. Those are truffles. And so if you get one of our steaks this weekend, it comes with this amazing truffle butter. Or if you want to get some truffle butter to take home, we can do that too. For the last 2 weeks, I've been putting this truffle butter on just about everything. We'll leave it at that. I've actually put it on bread. It's amazing. So this truffle butter is really rock star. And these are the Scorzone truffles, and because Scorze means like crusted, and because it looks really crusty on the outside. And then do you have one right here that shows what the inside of the truffle looks like?
Yep.
You have one, I thought I saw one an hour or so ago. Or I guess, oh, he's gonna, yeah, here we go. Yeah, make it happen. So if you cut one of these guys up and hold it very steady if you would.
I'll leave it here for you.
Thank you. So that's what they look like inside. It almost looks like rings in a tree to a certain extent. Remember, these are not mushrooms, but they are a fungus. And they grow at the base of trees, an oak tree, a hazelnut tree, and they probably grow 12 to 24 inches underneath the soil. So you need to have trained dogs to find them. Then you get one of these cool mandolins, these truffle cutters. You have a little setting down there you can see to determine your thickness you want. And then you basically pull off these beautifully shaved truffles. I'll hold it right there. Absolute rock star. You put this on your pasta, put it on fried eggs. Absolutely amazing. Even on lamb or steak, it's really good. So, Filippo, now that we got everybody excited, including me, with these fresh Italian truffles, what is it that we're doing this weekend? So what are in these little guys?
Fresh pasta, and we just make these bottoni. Is ravioli, like a little bit thinner.
So bottoni, just like buttons.
Buttons,
yeah.
Because that's what look like a button, and it's filled with ricotta cheese, mascarpone cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano, 24 months aged, and of course truffle.
Lots of truffles in those little guys.
And we season with truffle again, and truffle butter.
So if you get this, there's truffles inside. There's shaved truffles on top, and he even puts a little bit of truffle butter. Boy, you have that with a glass of Brunello, or a Super Tuscan, or even a beautiful Barolo or Barbaresco, a Nebbiolo wine. It's going to be a lot of fun. So highly recommend you make a reservation. This is not really a dish that would be great for takeout. You want to come here, have it while it's fresh. So thanks a lot for tuning in. Come and join us. These truffles are incredible. What Filippo and his team are doing right now, we're making these little button raviolis. You're really going to enjoy it. We also have a great panzanella salad. As you may know, Tuscany is very famous for their bread salads and their bread soups. So this is a bread-based salad that is just stunningly delicious. Fresh tomatoes, perfect for a nice warm Saturday like we have right now. Filippo actually just made a little batch of ravioli. I think we're going to try some in a moment with a glass of, maybe a nice glass of Vermentino. But these little guys are delicious. So I'm going to let you go. Leo just joined. Ciao, Leo. Come and join us at Solare. We're open today starting at noon, which is like 45 minutes from now. And we would love to have you join us here at Solare. Have a great day, wonderful Saturday. We'll see you hopefully this afternoon or this evening. Obviously, he just threw this together. But boy, you're going to want to try this. It is amazing. Ciao, everybody. Oh, one last shot. Say goodbye.
Ciao.
Thanks.